2 bedtimes ago. Sorry, I am late again. I was dealing with my organs. They are enlarged with expectation and night sweat. I have many excessive growths and a commitment to being so secretly ugly. Get close to me. I stole paper towel, red wine, bottle opener, coffee filters, Ziploc bags. Now I'm here in this fantastic sand. As usual, I don't want any of it, only sleep, how to be full grown. My barely moving lips get so low to the pain. I spend all day against the chain link fence, looking as if I were alive. I know how to take care of myself. I take a shower once a day, brush my teeth, never floss, then do. My gums ache. They are such sad things. After, this cage is so public. I discover the cow's true feelings. For example, he gets excited by thoughts of turning around. Sunlight bores him. The cow has no desire to go out into the world. The cow smiles, waiting to die. Inside metal, inside unfolding quilt of green. At my desk, I am fascinated and depressed by asphalt, plastic cups, optimism, what my feelings were. I cannot remember how I got so suddenly unalone. This fucking rattle. Only one moment left. Every surface is full of noise. I avoid the internet, each screen a ghost in my room, to find the flower opening slowly. I mourn and manage to go nowhere.